The minimum payment on a credit card can increase for several reasons. If a payment is late, late fees and penalty interest will be charged in the next cycle, resulting in a higher minimum payment. Additionally, an increase in credit balance due to accumulated debt will also lead to a higher minimum payment. Special financing offers from card issuers can also cause minimum payments to rise. Taking cash advances, which often have higher interest rates, can further increase the minimum payment. Moreover, if monthly charges on the card increase, the card issuer will recalculate the minimum payment based on the new charges, leading to a higher amount. Making partial payments and carrying a balance forward can also result in increased minimum payments. To reduce the minimum payment, it's essential to lower spending and make timely payments. Paying the balance in full before the due date is ideal for maintaining a good credit score, and automating payments can help achieve this. Adding more than the minimum payment during payment cycles can also help settle debt faster. Finding ways to offset debt and prevent balances from accruing is crucial. In cases where a payment is late for the first time, contacting the card issuer and explaining the situation may result in the penalty being waived. Understanding these factors can help individuals manage their credit card payments effectively and avoid increased minimum payments.